Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bebe Essentials here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. And if you have questions or comments, please don't forget to put them below.
I'm using couple toothpicks and the noodle to fix this part. And guys, it's gonna be a beautiful piece, so stay with me, don't go anywhere. Again guys, don't forget it doesn't have to cost you a lot to make beautiful piece. I got those from Walmart. They're very cheap. I didn't have to spend a lot of money. I believe I spent less than $3 to get them. I also have the snow glove, like you're gonna see. It's very cute. I'm gonna just use them as pendant for this piece. And I also got that from Dollar Tree, which is very simple. You know, it's $1. So let's go. I got these from Dollar Tree and we're gonna make this piece with that, okay? If you see guys carefully, I'm gonna be using the jewelry clear string. I'm gonna use it to tie up my ornament and my beautiful decors to make this piece even more beautiful because it's gonna be almost invisible. I had to use a ladder for this section because I wanted to be able to see exactly how my product will look when it's hanging. I don't really have any measurement for how long the strands had to be. I just know I didn't have to put them even so it can look even cuter. Also, I decided not to use the globe that I have right here and I used the crystals instead.
Alright guys, we are about done. I hope you guys love it. Look at it over there in my living room. So it was very simple to make and it doesn't cost much. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Until next time, ciao ciao.